Masyado pa atang madilim para sa camera ko or against the light. Pero ang ganda, 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 ganda. Yang nakikita nyo is yung church sa gitna ng Lake Bled. Medyo maaga pa kaya hindi pa kita yung church. Against the light. Bale. Pwede na ako magpalipad dito pero sa taas tayo. Yeah! 20-minute hike.
It's easy.
Mainit, malamig.
No, it's relatively cool. You're wearing a thicker jacket.
Kasi nga kamalalim.
It's so fresh. Sarap inhale, exhale.
Detox ng lunch. Detox ng lungs. Good news. 5 minutes na lang. Bad news. Yun yung daan.
So, tapos na kami mag-hike. Tapos na rin mag-pictures. Ang ganda-ganda dito sa taas.
Yeah, it is worth it though. Ganda ba?
Selfie to. Ganda. Sobrang relaxing.
One word to describe.
Charming.
Magical.
Ako romantic ang word ko. Charming, romantic, and magical si Erwin. I mean, hindi si Erwin yung magical yung place. According to Erwin. And here we are.
Pag wala na kayong pera, sirin nyo lang yung mga coins na binabato dito sa Lake Bled. Ang linaw, kita mo yung isda. Yun, nag-iisa. Siguro marami. Yun, marami. Oy.
Yung nakikita nyong mountain range na pumapalibot sa Lake Bled, ang tawag sa kanya ay Julian Alps. And it's crossing Italy and Slovenia. Kaya Julian Alps, it's named after Julius Caesar during the Roman era. Kasi nagtayo siya ng city sa foot ng mountain. Stig. Pinakamataas na peak is Mount Triglav na nandito sa Slovenia. And sabi nila, hindi ka raw tunay na Slovenian hanggat hindi mo naakyat yung peak na yon. So we just finished some lunch. Medyo mahal dito sa... One thing you have to remember is that the closer you are doon sa lake area, mas mahal yung food. If you go a bit farther, you'll find cheaper food. Like yung beer dito, around 4 euros. Pero dun sa tinitira namin, which is just a 10-minute walk, it's 2 euros. So, malaki yung difference. And so, today is a Saturday, punong-puno ng buhay, punong-puno ng tao yung place from different countries. But all in all, everyone is enjoying a good day.
Stag Party, eh?
Oh, Stag Party!
Yeah.
You're gonna win?
Yeah,
Congratulations!
It's a party for my friends, not for me.
Oh, not for you! One thing I have to say though, kahit hindi pa kami nakakapunta sa church, without going there, ang observation ko for me, and maybe it's not fair, pero ang observation ko for me is that it's not really a church for me. It represents something a church is not, right? It's isolated, nandun siya sa gitna ng lake, and it's very difficult to get to. There's no other way but to get a boat, so it's exclusive. Not only that, it's more of a tourist attraction. Where people from other countries go there, or yung mga ikakasal, they go there to have their dream wedding. So for me, it's not a church, because for me, a church serves the community and is part of the community. Lalim, no? But it is what it is. So I leave you with that. Tatambay lang kami dito to enjoy the view, and then we will relax and go back home and probably do something else. After going back to the apartment and spending about 1 hour, nag-decide kami na ba't namin sasayangin tong araw na to na nandun sa kwarto namin, bakit hindi nilang kami lumabas. So instead of bukas kami mag-Vintgar Gorge, nag-decide kami na ngayon na pupunta habang may araw. Kasi you never know, yung weather sobrang unpredictable. Bukas baka umuulan na. And so we are here today. And yung naririnig natin ngayon is the sound of a river na nasa tabi namin habang naglalakad kami.
Yung tubig, ang ganda, ang linaw. Sobrang linaw niya.
Speaking of linaw, nasa taas kami tapos kitang-kita namin yung fish. na lumalangoy. So this is a nature walk. Ang pangalang area is Vintgar Gorge.
Ang ganda dito. Nakaka-relax. Ang ganda lang.
Super happy to visit this place. Mind you, may bayad siya para mapuntahan yung lugar. At di siya mura. It's 5 euros. But, this is a very unique thing to do. If I were you, andito ka na rin lang, gawin mo na. And I'm sure you won't be disappointed.
Merong bridge sa Vintgar Gorge.
After walking for almost an hour, following the path of the river, may nakita kaming bridge. Tapos mamaya, nakita namin yung waterfalls. You know what? I consider traveling to be one of the greatest privileges in my life, including education, having responsible parents and whatnot. So, I know not everyone can travel, but if you can, and you have the opportunity to see the world and try to get a deeper understanding out of it, gawin mo. You owe it to yourself and to the people who've enabled you to be able to appreciate things not everybody can appreciate. After you walk for an hour, the trail ends here. May banyo, and then merong konting tindahan where you could buy beer, gusto mag-relax, ice cream, and so on.
Day 3 ends here. Kita-kits bukas.
Ang gaganda ng view, ang ganda ng araw.
Huwag lang tumingin dito sa
Julian Alps.
Huwag lang tumingin sa
Ito na ang Versich Pass.
Kaiinom ako for
Naligaw kami. Andito kami sa Italy.